Composting is a sustainable practice that allows you to turn your kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich organic matter for your garden. While traditional composting methods involve turning and aerating the pile manually, compost barrel tumbler offer a convenient and efficient alternative. We will explore the benefits of compost barrel tumblers and how they can revolutionize your composting experience. One of the primary advantages of compost barrel tumblers is their convenience. These specialized containers are designed to make the composting process easier and more manageable. Instead of manually turning the compost pile with a pitchfork or shovel, you simply rotate the tumbler, which helps mix the materials and accelerate decomposition. This eliminates the need for heavy lifting and back-breaking labor, making composting accessible to a wider range of gardeners. Compost barrel tumblers also offer excellent control over the composting process. With a tumbler, you can easily regulate moisture levels, adjust the carbon to nitrogen ratio, and monitor the temperature. The sealed design of tumbler helps retain heat, which promotes faster decomposition and reduced odors. This controlled environment allows you to produce high-quality compost more efficiently with fewer issues like pests or unwanted odors. Another benefit of compost barrel tumblers is their space-saving nature. Unlike traditional compost piles that require a large area in your yard, a tumbler can fit in small spaces such as balcony, patio, or even a small backyard. This makes it a suitable option for urban gardeners or those with limited outdoor spaces. Furthermore, compost barrel tumbler provide a neater and more aesthetic composting solution. Their enclosed design helps keep the compost contained and prevents pests from accessing the pile. The tumbler are typically made from durable materials such as UV-resistant plastic or galvanized steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to outdoor elements. In conclusion, compost barrel tumblers offer a convenient, efficient, and space-saving solution for composting. They simplify the composting process, eliminate the need for manually turning, and provide excellent control over the composting conditions. With their enclosed design and compact size, they are suitable for a variety of outdoor spaces. Embrace the benefits of compost barrel tumblers and enjoy the reward of nutrient-rich compost to nourish your garden, reduce waste, and contribute to a greener planet.